In today's tutorial, I will teach you guys how to build a house in Adobe Illustrator. Select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. Select Add Anchor Point tool and add anchor. Select the Direct Selection tool and press the up arrow key. Select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. Select the Direct Selection tool and then select the top two anchor points by pressing the Shift key. Select the Ellipse tool and draw a shape. Change color and add stroke. Press the Alt key and drag the shape with the help of the mouse. The shape will be duplicated. Select the Scissors tool and select the anchor point. The shape will be divided into two parts. Press the Delete key and delete the shape. Turn off foreground color. Increase the strength of the stroke. Select and group all objects. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.